Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram automatic back problem or Instagram reels not opening. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first open your Play Store app, search Instagram. Now update your Instagram app. Finally, your Instagram app is updated. Back on home screen, go to your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, search Instagram, click on Instagram, scroll down, click on storage. Now clear cache, clear data, click on delete, and last step, restart your device. Now click on restart. After your device restarting, now open your Instagram app and your Instagram app is open. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.